Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair in the Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and this is the Clay Wave. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, click the notification, share my videos. Don't be the next to them, be the first to you, and remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. If you got a question for me, hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook. I'll be happy to answer them. So we've got a 2009 Mazda CX-7 with the 2.3 turbo EcoBoost in it, and we have got a code for intake manifold runner control valve stuck closed, bank 1. You can see them, P2006, and all of them are 20. Okay, so the three main components to this system is the IMRC controller box, the vacuum actuator, and then there is a little sensor that's right here, this green wire that you see coming there, and then that goes down to that plunger, and you can see that if you look through there, right about there, when I move this, it goes off there and trips that switch. So you have one of the three problems going on other than electrical. Now, you could have an electrical problem. We're not going to get into the diagnosis of that. But knowing how the system works is good information to have. Okay, so it could be a couple different things. It could be this controller right here, which is hooked to an arm, and I'm going to show you that on the other engine that I got apart over on the bench over there. Or it could be this controller here, or you could have a broken line. We took a vacuum pump, pumped up that, made sure that down at the bottom there it was working. When we would pump this up with vacuum, this arm would move up. So that told us that our diaphragm was good. Now, then we follow the hose that goes into this from over here to this control unit. We've got to presume that either there's some blockage underneath the control unit, so take this off before you order another one off the interwebs, or the control unit itself is bad. We know that this control unit is good because we took this bad motor out of this Mazda, and we didn't have any check engine lights before, so we got to assume that this is bad for right now. But you want to make sure that this line's not leaking as well, so you're going to put a vacuum test on that. Jeff says it's really stuck on there, so luckily all we had to do was remove the intercooler from the turbo to remove this, and then unpull that, and then we're going to go plug it into the new motor. Now, we could have a broken wire in our situation because we did change the motor. So if this quick fix doesn't work, you know, obviously we're going to check that next. But I figure most of you at home are probably just going to, you know, you're not going to be having motor swaps done on it and then have a check engine light. And a check engine light isn't something that we want on. Even though it didn't affect the drivability of it, it still ran and drove pretty darn good, and we didn't have any issues. It's not working, and we want it to work correctly. Our key turned on and our engine shut off. We're going to go ahead and clear these codes out of here, and they'll come back pretty quick if it's still bad. Okay, so this is the IMRC. This is what it looks like. When you order these on the internet, you only get this one portion right here if you're gonna buy it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Check engine lights taken care of. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for viewing. Please you know, give me a subscribe and you know, click the notifications. It's how I'm able to make all these videos for you guys and, you know, share my many years of knowledge. I don't know everything, but I know a little bit to get by. Don't be the next to them, be the first to you. If any other person can do it, you can too.